Hello friends, I am Mohnish and today I have come up with a new project, the BMI Graph. So today we are going to see the capabilities of this project and let's get started. So let's run as Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Notebook, and let's wait. Until then, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and smash the like button if you like the video. And then let's get to a concept of the BMI scale. So BMI means body mass index, and BMI is a ratio, like we can say BMI has a formula kind of thing. So if you see, BMI is some weight by height squared, I think. You see square of height, so it's weight by height square. BMI equals weight by height square, so we get a value. So that value fits, if we fit that value in a chart, then we can say we are healthy or not. And all right, let's open this image and study the image. So if we see, our weight is less than, like our BMI is less than 18.5, then we are underweight. Then 18.5 to 24.9 is normal, 25 to 29.9 over, and obese and extremely obese. So this is how the body mass index looks, and let's get started with our project with this concept. Let's open our file, and this is our notebook, and let's give it the time to load. So we have specific tasks to be done in this project, so they'll be listed at the very start of the project. So we'll be going through that, and then we'll be starting with our tasks. We'll be trying to complete our tasks in the project. So let's go to the BMI graph, the project name. Tasks are, first, how many people are underweight and create a data frame out of it. Then who are normal weight and a data frame. Pie chart, or the percentage of people who are underweight and healthy. Then group by the gender from underweight data frame and create another data frame out of it. So I'll explain this task while we are doing the code, and then we're going to plot a pie chart about the percentage of male and female who are underweight. Then group by the gender of the and healthy data frame from the healthy data frame and create another data frame out of it, and plot a pie chart as per the percentage of male and female who are healthy. So let's load our data set, which is the bmi.csv, and then let's go and let's give it the time to load the data set here. So our data set is stored in df. So yes, we got, so this data set contains the age of the person, the gender, the BMI, number of children, then is he a smoker, the region in which he lives, like southwest, northeast, and all that, and the charges. So I don't know what this charges mean, so we are not going to look so much at this column. And now let's get to our task one. How many people are underweight in this data frame, and we are going to locate it in this data frame, and we are going to get the gender of the person who is underweight, because that was our task. And now underweight data frame is equals to df.loc. So loc is like the locate, and it will locate where the BMI is less than 18.5, and the next bracket gives us the gender. So if it like, it will give us the gender of that person who is underweight, and we are going to reset the index, and we are going to print the underweight data frame. So we see the index for 28 is a male person who is underweight, like that. 128 is a female person who is underweight, and like that we are having few people. So now we are going to get the count of the people who are underweight. So we have to plot a graph for the percentage, like how many people are underweight and how many people are healthy. So we need to know how, like, the count of the people here, and not the people themselves. So let's do it with this code. So here we are finding the length and of the list of the underweight data from gender. So if we can even do it for index, and then we can even have the count method. underweight data frame index dot count. So this will count the number of items here, and if we can even do the same for the gender here. So we'll get 20 in all cases. And then task 2, how many people have normal weight, and create a data frame out of it. So we are going to again get the gender, of course, so we can get the pie charts. So healthy weight data frame is df.loc. So locate, loc locate, and BMI, where the BMI is greater than 18.5 and BMI is less than 24.9. So this is an AND operation here. So if these both conditions are true, then only it will get us it will make a data frame. It will add it in a data frame with its gender, like with the person's gender. So these both conditions needs to be true so the data is appended into a new healthy weight data frame. So and then we are going to get the gender, and we are going to reset the index, and we are printing the data frame. We will display it. So index number 3 has a male person who is healthy, then 26 has a female girl who is healthy. And now let's get the count of the people here. So it's 221. It's similar code which we used here, but here we are using the healthy weight count, like from the healthy weight data frame. Here we used it from the underweight data frame, which is this one. And now we are going to our task number 3, which is plotting a pie chart as per the percentage of the male and female who are underweight and healthy. So here we can just use the underweight and healthy count of the count of the people who are underweight and healthy. So here underweight people are these are the values, underweight and healthy, and these are labels. Like if for this count, this is the label, like 20 people are what, like this variable has the data of 20, but we need to assign like what is 20 here. So it's the number of underweight people. And same way healthy weight count is for healthy weight, and we are going to PLT is our matplotlib.pyplot. As PLT we gave a alias name for it, and then we are going to give the arguments value labels equal to label. This is a this plt.py of variable, and this is our variable, so we are assigning it. And auto PCT equal to this thing, like percentage 0.2 f percentage. So this syntax gives us the percentage of the people who are here. So our goal is to get a percentage, so it will give us the percentage like 20, and we are having 221. So 20 plus 20, 241. Out of 241 people, what is the percentage of 20 people? So what's the percentage? So it is 20 by 221 into 100. So we don't need to calculate that and give. So this does it for us, and we are setting the radius equals to 2, and we are going to show our pie chart. So if we see, we can see 91% or 92% of the people are healthy, and around 8.3% of the people are underweight. So we can say according to this data set, people are healthy. So our task 4, group by the gender from the underweight data frame. So we got the underweight data frame here, this one. So we are having here the index number and gender. So if we group by gender, so it means like how many males and how many females are there who are underweight. So that's what they are asking. So we are going to do it in this very simple way, simple code, to group underweight. So it's underweight data frame dot group by. We are going to use the group by function. We are going to group by the gender, and we are going what is like the data we want to get. So a gender is male and female. So what's the next data, like by what? So it's an index dot count. So index dot, so we'll get a number of people who are males and number of people who are females, and the reset index, and we are setting this name to number. So if I don't give this, we'll see what happens. Then we are going to give this argument again. So if we do this, we get gender and index. So like I don't want this index to come here, like I want, like it's not an index, no, it's the number of the people. But as we are using the index here, so it's showing us index, so we can just give this name equal to number here. So if we run this, then we get here number instead of index. So that's the benefit of this. So task 5 is plot a pie chart as per the percentage of people who are male and female and are underweight. So how many male people are underweight, then how many female people are underweight, and by this auto PCT we'll also get the percentage of them. So let's do it similar way. Values are under group, like group underweight number. So this has these two values 12 and 8, and label is group underweight gender. So it has female and male. So then we are going to get the values labels in the auto PCT radius equals to 2 and plt dot show. Then we get this pie chart of females are 60% and males are 40% who are underweight according to this dataset. According to this dataset, 60% of female are underweight and 40% of the males are underweight. So here our tasks is like task 6 is grouped by the gender from healthy weight data frame. So group healthy weight is healthy weight data frame dot group by gender index. So what is this? So we are going to group the healthy data frame this time, not the unhealthy one, and by the gender, and we are going to get the index dot count, and we are going to reset the index and set the name to number again. So group healthy weight. So we are going to shift enter and we are going to get females are 115 and males are 106. So if we plot a pie chart, which is our last task, we get 52.04% of the females are healthy, and while 47.96 males are like 96% of males are healthy out of in this data frame. So that was my project for today. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe this channel so you don't miss any videos. And thank you friends for watching the video. Bye bye.